Hi all. So this will be a video regarding a demo of Ettercap, how to use Ettercap to do man-in-the-middle attacks. So before you start the Ettercap, make sure that you have uh, this particular value set to 1. If not, you can use the echo command and you know set to this particular location, and you will get the value. You will set the value as 1. So setting this value is important before you run Ettercap. There should be 1. Alright, so once it's inbuilt in Kali. If you will search Ettercap, you will get select this one, Ettercap graphical. Anyways, so the net mask is set to 255.255.255.0. I will tell you how, because if you will do a IP config on your local system, like the scenario here is that I am connected to Wi-Fi my Kali machine as well as the victim machine, which is on which I am going to log into a website. They are all connected to one Wi-Fi, and this Wi-Fi router address is 1.1. That is the net mask through which the router or the net mask through which all the traffic will be going. So we will try to poison using Ettercap. We will try to poison this net mask, uh, this router IP. This is the victim on whose machine 1.2. On 1.2 we will try to log into a website. This is the router, and my Ettercap is in Kali, and you can see this is 1.8 is my address, 1.2 is the victim's address, and 1.1 is the default gateway router. So now we will go to Ettercap. We will start unified sniffing, and since one unified sniffing has started, we will just check that our value is correct. Because this happens, it gets set to 0. I don't know why this issue is there. So the value is 1. uh, let's start a scan for hosts. So this value is set to 1 before you are running, before you are going to hosts and scanning for hosts. So we have 3 hosts. Let's see. So this is our router, which we want to poison, so I will add it to target 1. This 1.2 is this is some mobile device connected to the Wi-Fi. 1.2 is the victim on which we will log in. We will add it to target 2. So once the targets are added, we will go to MITM arc poisoning, enable this, and run. Now we will go to the machine, try to log in. Suppose this is the victim. It goes to login. So once he successfully log in, we will see. So as you can see, the Ettercap poisoned and intercepted this value. I tried to log in to demo.testfire user jsmith, user ID jsmith, password demo1234. So I was not sitting on, so this Ettercap was not on that machine where victim logged in, but it was able to poison the router and able to extract the username and password on which the victim machine logged in. So